Working on a Porsche caliper to control spindle, pull the threads out when they come out. So now we gotta fix the threads. Can't just use a normal helicoil for these things either. They go in about an inch, so we're gonna be putting an extra long Timesert in. First thing you gotta do is drill the hole. Now I gotta countersink it for the Timesert. Now we can start tapping. Use lots of lube on the tap. Make sure you got your tap guide on there. Make sure the tap guide, it's got no gaps. It lets you know that you're tapping straight. Tap a few threads in. Check it again. And I think now we're safe. Now we just tap all the way through. Take it out. I want to brake clean the hole. Nice and dry for the Loctite on the insert. So we got some lube on the installer and some Loctite on the insert. And make sure you run the installer of the insert all the way to through the other side. On these Timeserts, the bottom 2 or 3 threads actually are made tight so that the installer opens it up into the part, locks it in there. Installer in. And now try the bolt. Carbon steel insert, now it's stronger than new. That's a Porsche caliper bolt hole repair. I know the helicoils are really expensive for this 14x15.